How to fix we can't find your camera error code in your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix we can't find your camera error in your Windows, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings, search for your settings and then open it up. After opening your settings, now here on the left side you need to search for camera. After searching for camera, you need to just go with the camera settings, the camera privacy settings, and under camera make sure that the application that you're using has turned on the camera, or it has the access to the camera. So here on the first you'll have the camera option. You just need to simply go and turn it on. Make sure all of these options are turned on, and after turning on, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you just need to simply go back, search for camera. After searching for the camera, you can just simply go with the app settings. After opening your app settings, now you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of repair. First you need to go with terminate and wait for it to load, and go with repair and again wait for a few seconds or a few minutes to load. And once it's repaired, you can go with reset, and after resetting your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then right click on your Windows, go with the device manager option. Under device manager you need to go with the camera section. But if you don't find the camera, then you can go with action, and then under action you will have scan for hardware devices. You can go with scan for hardware devices, which is right here, or you can go with view and then go with show hidden devices, and here you may have your camera option. So go with camera, and under the camera you can just right click on it, go with properties and go with driver, and make sure to update the driver. After updating your drivers, then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go and restart your system or your device, and after restarting your problem might be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.